Hello students, today is our lecture on the terms associated with motion, which is the third lecture of the kinematics. So uh, whenever we are talking about the motion of an object, so there are certain terms such as what is the position of an object, how much distance the body has covered, what is the speed of the body, and so on. So let us explain some of the terms which are frequently used during motion. The first thing is position. Position, the term position describes the location of a place or a point with respect to some reference point, which is called origin. For example, if you want to describe the position of your school from your home, let H represents the position of your home and S represents your school. Then a straight line, a straight arrow from your home to your school, this represents the position of your school with respect to your home. The next thing is distance. The actual path covered by a body during motion is called distance. Distance is usually represented by S and it is measured in meters. For example, let a body starts moving from point A and it starts moving through this red line and reaches after some point to point B. Then the length of this path through the curved path, this will be equal to the distance traveled by the body, which is represented by this dashed line. Displacement is the shortest path between 2 points. For example, when the body reaches from point A to point B, so the straight path, the straight line starting from A to point B will represent the displacement. Displacement is a vector quantity. It will be always directed from the starting point to the finishing point. It is also measured in meters and it is denoted by S or D with an arrow. Speed. The distance covered by a body per unit time is called speed. For example, let a body covers S distance in time t, then speed of the body is determined by the equation, which is distance, how much distance the body has covered, divided by the time it takes. If we represent speed by V, the distance is S and the time by t, then it becomes an equation which we have called 2.1. Distance is a scalar, therefore speed will also be a scalar quantity. Its SI unit is meter per second. Uniform speed. If a body covers equal distance in equal intervals of time, then the speed of the body is said to be uniform. For example, when a body is moving through a certain distance and its speed neither increases nor decreases, we can say that the speed of the body does not change. Then we say that the speed of the body is uniform. Average speed. When a body is moving with a variable speed and we want to describe the speed of the body through the whole journey, then we use the term average speed, which is the total distance covered divided by the total time taken. The average speed is usually represented by V with which is enclosed in these brackets. Instantaneous speed. The speed of a body at a particular instant of time is called instantaneous speed. For example, in the given figure, in the figure 2.18, a body moves from point P to point Q with variable speed. Then, if you want to find the speed of the body at a particular point or a particular instant of time, then whatever the speed may be, the speed of the body at that point is called instantaneous speed. Note that when a body moves with uniform speed, then the average speed and instantaneous speed will be the same.